Welcome back to this wonderful video. Actually, um I'm making this video for the sake of those that are requesting for withdrawal proof on my trade. So I've been telling you guys about Lunar Crush, how I use coin of the day, Lunar Crush, to trade on Binance. So in this video right now, I'm going to show you proofs that is actually legit, that you are going to be making profit so far as I put the video on YouTube and you watch it and follow my strategy, the same strategy I use. And I want to show you guys in this video that actually there's profit in it. So the last video I made about waves, the trading, the Lunar Crush coin of the day. If you check here, you see Lunar Crush coin of the day. As of yesterday, it's waves. Let me open it. You can see it here. You can see it's waves. So they have given us 2 hours left for this coin to go up from Lunar Crush. Then we can go over and wait for another coin of the day for it to be listed on the Lunar Crush. Then I can make research and show you guys strategy we are going to use. So I'm just going to use this my video and show you guys the I'm just going to show you guys the rate I bought and the strategy I used last video, and I will go over straight now live to Binance and show you guys what the coin is doing, and I'm going to show you guys the profit that is attached. So let me go over to the video. This is the video, the last video I made. You can see it. um you can see now, I was the one that made this video. You can see 20 hours ago. That is yesterday. This is 20 hours ago. You can see it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what the strategy I use. Let's just say you use 200, you use 100 and make it. If that one goes down, that you cannot pull it off, you just, as you can see, if you look at the rate I told you guys, this is 14.5. I told you guys 14.5. That is the rate. Let me leave it and you still use another one for trade. So that's why I showed you that strategy that you're going to use. You're going to be doing it like that. But if you're using a little amount, it's not going to work because you're just going to be getting cents. Yes, you're just going to be getting cents. But if you can be getting that cent, if you're serious, you can be getting that cent 9. So we are going to be making dollars or $50. So this is what we'll be doing. As you can see, for those that watch the video, look at 13.87. Let me just take it 14. Let me just take it 14. As you can see, we are going to wait for it to execute. If you're getting $3 or $5, that would be okay. Okay, as you can see, what I placed has worked. As you can see, if actually I use 500,000, I should be making 500,000. I should be making 10 USDT right now. As you can see, so let's just say the current rate that you join, or the current, let me just use 14 um 14 as the current rate that I showed you guys, because this was the strategy I showed you guys, and we are going to buy waves slash USDT. So this was the current rate, and I told you guys if you are using $100, we are going to be making up to $4 profit if you're using $100. So then I want to go over to Binance right now live and show you guys. I am going to use the rate 14 to buy. Then I will show you guys the current rate right now, the current rate of waves right now. I'm going to show you profit that you guys have made, or some people have made, because actually I know some people is trading this and some people are busy watching, checking if it's actually legit or that kind of thing. So let me go over to Binance and show you guys. Let me go over to Binance. Please, if you are seeing me for the first time, actually what I do every day is about trading. That is what I do every day. It's inevitable. That is what I do every day, because Lunar Crush used to give us coin of the day. Then I'll make research on the coin and come over to YouTube and make video for you guys after I've mapped out my strategy we are going to use in order for us to make the money. So I'll come over to YouTube and show you guys the strategy we are going to use. And actually, if other videos should come, if other videos should come, actually trading is compulsory. Yes, trading is compulsory. It must come every day. So far as Lunar Crush list another coin of the day, I'm still going to put another coin of the day and show you guys how to trade it and the strategy we are going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to trades, go over to trades. As you can see, what I'm having here, let me wait for it to load. Let me load it again. What I'm having here is nearly 17. You can see the rate of this wave right now. What I have here is nearly 17. Let's just take it 15. Let's just take it 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, let's just use the last rate that when I made this video I told you guys we are using 14. Let me just say 14. This is the rate, and if we are buying with 100 USDT, this is what we'll get. And again, let me copy it and show you guys if this coin is 15, what we'll get. Can you see it? $7. And then let me just add 0.95. Can you see it? 13 good dollars. Wow. So actually guys, what I'm showing you, what I'm teaching you is not something I've not done. It's something that I'm doing. So actually, the strategy I showed you guys yesterday, I know some people will be smiling. I've received some testimony, but some are still doubting how legit is this thing. Is it real? Some people were saying we are human beings. At times it may fail. Yes, it may fail, but I'm just trying to tell you that instead of you to get your money stocked, you are going to be making not less than $2 with $100. Instead of you to get your money stocked, you're going to be, I will just show you the strategy, and you're going to be making not less than $2 every day instead of your money to stocked, or instead of you, like now some people used to say when they buy the coin, they don't know if the coin is actually going to increase or not. So they are going to, if they buy the coin, they will be shaking or they will be afraid. Before they will know it, they will see that the coin is coming down. Now, in this particular video I'm doing, actually Lunar Cross used to give us 7 days for the coin to go where? To go bullish. That means if you buy the coin when it is listed, you are going to leave it for 7 days. That is the assurance they gave us. So, but me, I don't used to leave it for 7 days, because let's just say I make $13 here today, and again, okay, let's just say I make $13, and this, if I leave this in, and let's just say the total profit that I'm going to make from this particular wave is 20, and I make $13 today. Tomorrow I'm still going to trade another call. Let's just say I make 5. Another day, for that 7 days, I'm going to get more than that $20. Yes, for that 7 days, I should be trading every day and be making for $5. I'm going to be getting more than that $20. So that is what I used to do. I just show you strategy that you will use instead of you to wait for that 7 days. You're just going to limit, curtail it, then make the profit that is in it not much. You just make with $100, just make 5. You are okay, you are fine. You leave it and move over to and wait for the coin of the day and the next coin of the day. Then you can also do the same. So what I help you do is I make research, because Lunar Crush is not going to give you the strategy you are going to use. Actually, for you to make profit, you need to know whether the coin, when Lunar Coin will give the coin in the day, you need to know whether the coin will come down within some hour and go up and go bullish. You don't know. That is what you don't know. Now, let's just say the coin they give us. Let's just say if they give us and the coin is 15. Now, you don't know if the coin is going to come down, but what you know is you are going to buy. But you buy at 15. Now the coin will come down, you'll be afraid. But since they have given you 7 days, now the coin wants to go bullish and now went to 15 point. 15 point, let's just say 96. Can you see? There's no much profit there. So what I do is I make research if the coin is going to come down before. I don't used to calculate before 7 days. I used to calculate it 24. I used to use 24 hours. If the coin is going to come down within 24 hours, so I will check it. If it is going to come down, I will tell you guys that what we are going to do is when we are buying, we are going to set our order to limit. Then we buy at, let's just say 13, because I made research and noticed that the coin is going to come down. I will tell you guys to buy at 13. Then when you are going to sell at 15, that 15.90 something that the coin will go. So that is actually what I do. I help you curtail the stress. So I think I'm still going to wait for the next 2 hours. Yes, I'm still waiting for another coin of the day to be listed on Lunar Crush. So I'm still going to drop another video for you guys in order for you guys to jump into it as soon as possible and make money for yourself. So if you are hearing my voice for the first time, there, do wait to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload videos like this, YouTube will notify you. Reason is that I used to tell you guys, I'm not telling you to subscribe so that you can boost my channel. Actually, what I needed in this channel, I've gotten it. So I thank you guys for the 11K subscribers. Yes, I'm really grateful. That shows that my effort is not in vain. Actually, you guys are enjoying the video, because if you're not enjoying the video, you're not going to subscribe. So, and again, and why I'm telling you to subscribe is because for this trading alone, because if I show you another site, maybe TRS site or BTC site where you can earn BTC, you can watch it after 1 week after the video have been posted. You can watch it after 1 week. But this trading, I'm telling you, you cannot watch it a day after the day I made this video. So you cannot watch it. So if you watch it, if you jump into it and try to, you cannot use the strategy because the coin might have gone bullish. So for you to wait for the coin to come down to the amount I've used it, the rate I've used in the video, you are going to wait for it. Now, when coming now, it will be that the coin has gone up from Lunar Crush. That means the coin is about dropping. So when it reach the strategy I use, it will buy and it still go down before it will go up. It will take up to 1 month, or let's just say 2 weeks. You say what I did, the video is not encouraging, it's not working. So that is why you need to stay tuned so that anytime I upload new videos like this and about trading with Lunar Crush and Binance, the strategy we are going to use, you can be the first to jump into it as soon as possible and grab your own profit and wait for another day and for another coin of the day to be listed. So actually, I used to tell you guys, if you have any question, check in the description below and enter my WhatsApp group. From there, hit me direct, I will answer you. If you have a site that you want to deposit, or or you are confused, any of that type, so just DM me. I will help you out. I will make research for you and show you the way out. So see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. See you later.